Are you ready?
Hindi naman po. Actually po kasi ako, pag nagsasuggest po ako, tatlong supplements talaga po natin. Kasi anti-inflammatory, lahat po.
Kita natin sa Facebook na
I have available here glutathione food supplements for immune booster power boost for immune system, superfoods with flavor of blueberry, all berries, mangosteen, acai berry, purple corn, all berries here. This is good for the health. And I have spirulina also. Yan. And mayroon din po tayong Kojic Light soap. I have two stock here. And napkin. I have 2 napkin. Yan mga besh. For our personal hygiene. This is for cosmetics. This is for our health. And this is for our personal hygiene. And I already tried it. Yan lang po ang available ko. Ready for delivery on Hans products.
Ibang lahi.
Ikaw na mag-explain sa
This is one of our in the team also.
Yeah. We have picture together, right?
Yeah, you have picture together. And she has a guest Nigerian also, according to
Night market na lang mga kahapon. Kilala ko yung si Gambo at Dambo. Kayong nagkakalpada. Ano naman nila? Ano ka nang tawa kasi? May mga sasayaw sa kaya. May nakakulang pala. Si Jambo. Ang galing sumayaw. Jambo?
Yan. Kasama ko na to. Yan.
Oh, guys! Sino ang unang mananalo ng 500 dirhams? Ayan. Ayan. Ayan na.
ano muna, card number. Ito. With raffle stop number 1 0 0 4 1004 Soling Navarro.
So guys, sino ba ang nananalo? Picture muna kay Sir Gio para at least meron tayong remembrance. Miss,
All visitor. Maybe the new visitor.
ayan, picture. Ayan. Ayan yan. Ayan. Thank you.
I had been on this company since beginning, but I was doing it as a part-time. Even though the work is there, but I was doing part-time, and my attitude was in the beginning was as a part-time.
Yes.
So on that time, nothing. I cannot say that I gained much from the beginning because it was part-time. On that moment, when I see the effect of the product on myself, then the money coming on my pocket. That's it. Okay. First of all, who's among here is working long hours, standing all the time? Do you have any back pain,
Yes.
leg pain, headache all the time?
Stress.
And that's normal. That's normal what we have here. Because we are working more than 8 hours. Okay? So you will go out from the house for time and you go home on time. So almost 14 hours outside the house. So you need something to make you energetic to continue work. Yeah? Who have hair loss?
Hair loss.
A lot of people, yes, that's my point. That's good. Because this company, with the hair loss, with the hair loss and long work, you will have nothing of that. Because I was having bulb here. This side. After using the product, actually, from that moment, I start to do it as a full time. The long hours we have, you will be tired at the beginning, at the last of your day. But after you take the product, you will not feel any of that. So you will be energetic all day, even though you go home. After how many hours of working, you will go home energetic. You can go out, you can do whatever you want. You can spend your own life. My colleague actually, he was having one baby and he's trying to get another baby for more than 7 years. Okay, he tried to go to all the doctors, gynaes, all the medication he tried. He spent a lot of money, but he did not. He buy just only Luta and Protect. Less than a month. He did not finish the bottle. She got pregnant. So this is from the health-wise, because I will not go more on the testimonies because we have a lot of testimonies here on this company. If you go on the social media, you'll find a lot. So we will not go through it. We'll go through the financial, that's the important for everybody here. And that's for me also, as well. Because we are here to work, to earn money, to give our family needs. And your job, usually, it's not giving you the basic needs for you and your family. Yes. So, yeah. So you will be burdened at the end of how many years you are working. You will not gain anything. You forget all your dreams. You forget yourself, even though. You will be at the last left over. Nobody will look at you at the last. Yeah. Yeah. That's not that you life you choose. You want for you and for your family. That's why here this great life here to give you not only the basic needs, your fancy dreams also to be there.
Great life!
So aside of your basic needs, if you work hard on this company and you give it your full time, Madam Press is here, she will give you a lot of incentive for free. So you will enjoy your life, and you will earn a lot, and you will have a lot of things to do.
Yes.
Like the incentive we have, like the Coach Marilyn and Coach Cheryl, they claim the LB. And we have ours also, yes, for free.
Whoa!
So why not you are?
Yes.
So when you are planning to do it, are you sure you are doing it now? So I would like to thank actually my coach Manilin for and my leader here, Mona and Jonah. And soon to be Mama Rose. For listening to me for small speech. And this is a great life everybody deserves.
Salamat sa nakabibigay ng mga palakpak. Mga may energy kayo ah. Okay, go! Okay, picture. Sige, ngayon pag-usapan. Palakpakan naman natin.
Ito po ay nagkakahalaga po ng 280. Kapag kayo po ay naging member na, mabibili niyo na lang ito 182. Ibig sabihin po, kumita po kayo dyan ng 98 dirhams. Correct?
Yes.
Sa isang araw, nakabenta ka ng isang luta. Pero bago natin ano yan, yung luta tayo po natin, since may laman po siyang astaxanthin, ang dapat pong halaga ng bottle natin, hindi po tuloy, dapat po nasa 1,200 yan. Sobrang baba nga lang ng benta ng gluta tayo natin. Diba? Bakit? Kasi po, meron niya kasamang astaxanthin. Ang astaxanthin po dyan sa may sa Life Pharmacy, nagkakahalaga po siya ng 200 dirhams, 30 capsules, 10 milligrams each capsules. Ang po natin, ito pong natin, gluta tayo, meron po siyang, meron po siyang 60 capsules. Per capsules, meron siyang 30 milligrams. So, imagine niyo po. So, pag i-multiply niyo, may kasama na rin po siya na katulad ng sinabi ko sa inyo kanina, may vitamin C na rin siya nakasama at saka chocolate. Yan. Ang gluta po natin, 280 minus 180, tumikita ka dyan, 98 per piece. Tama po? Pag nakabenta ka po ng isa, ma'am, sa isang araw, Ma'am Rowena, magkano po ma'am ang sagot, ma'am?
98.
98, ang galing naman. Per day. Si Ma'am Lenny naman. Ma'am Lenny, nakabenta ka po ng 10 sa loob po ng isang linggo. Magkano po yun, ma'am? 980, grabe. Pang quiz B talaga kayo, math no? Ma'am, ang 98 po, ma'am, ano pwede natin magawa sa 98, ma'am?
Allowance.
Pwede ng pang-allowance, pwede mo na pandagdag sa North Card, pwede mo na pambili ng Jollibee o kaya ng KFC, tama po?
Yes.
Yan, tama po, pwede naman. Yung 980 po, pwede mo na pambayad ng partition, ng partition, hindi lang ng relasyon. Diba po? 980 po yan. Meron po tayo, mabenta tayo ng 100 piraso sa loob po ng isang buwan po. Meron ka na po? Magkano? 9,800. Sarap-sarap. Bakit? Bakit naging masarap ng 9,800 per month, ma'am? Kasi ma'am, ang 9,800, kung hindi nyo po na-feel, ma'am, ito po yung sahod po ng mga manager po sa 5-star hotel, ma'am. Ng mga ibang lahi.
Yes.
Ayan po. Sahod din po ito ng mga nurses, ma'am. Mas mataas nga lang po konti pa dito. Per month, di ba? Pero po, tignan nyo naman po ang trabaho meron sila, di ba? Makabenta ka po ng 1,000 piraso, ma'am, sa loob po ng isang taon, ma'am. Magkano po yan, ma'am? Magkano po? 98,000 dirhams po. Per year, ma'am. 365 days. Magkano po yan, ma'am? Pag i-multiply po natin sa 15 pesos po. Dirhams kasi yan eh. Nasa 1.4 million pesos lang naman po yan. Ang tanong po, ilang products po ang binenta natin? Glutathione pa lang po. Hindi ka pa po nagbenta ng napkin dyan, hindi ka na nakapagbenta ng sabon. Yan na po kagad nakita. Sa milyunan pa rin naman po. Nakita niyo po kung gaano kalaki po yung pwedeng maibigay na tulong na ito sa atin. Makakatulong po ba ito, ma'am?
Yes.
Ma'am Lenny? Ma'am, malaki po ang tulong sa akin nito, ma'am. Kung sa inyo po, ma'am, napipil nyo na medyo hindi nyo bet yung ano, pwede nyo imbitahan po yung mga friends nyo para po sila gumawa nito. Pero kung nakikita nyo, ma'am, na makakatulong po sa inyo, why not gawin po natin pagtulong-tulungan po natin dito? Tama po?
Yes.
Nakikita nyo naman po, dami-dami. Si ma'am nga, hindi nga nakontento sa isa, 3 ang binili ni ma'am.
Sino gusto magkaroon ng emblem box? Remember, ang price nito, million yan. This is not just an ordinary emblem box. It's a medal na unti-unti ninyong kokolektahin. Okay, so congratulations. And I pray na nating time lahat kayo magkakaroon na ng emblem box. A round of applause for everybody.
Huge contribution in her role at Great Life.
Ang kanyang journey when she founded her own company started when she opened a branch in Dubai and driven by her marketing experience abroad. Let's now welcome Raquel Buensuceso, the president and CEO of Great Life International Corporation with branches here in the Philippines and Dubai. Good morning, Ms. Raquel. Welcome to Rise and Shine Pilipinas.
Good morning, Joshua. Good morning, Fifi.
Good morning.
Magandang umaga po at magandang umaga sa lahat ng viewers na Rise and Shine.
Ms. Raquel, let's start with, pwede niyo po ba ipaliwanag kung ano yung layunin ng Great Life? Ano yung purpose nito?
Yung Great Life actually, no, ito yung kumpanya na nilaunch namin ng asawa ko na si Gilbert together with our team.
Okay.
At ito ay may mga branches na nationwide, Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. And we also have our international branch in Dubai. So yung layunin niya ay makapagbigay kahit papano ng pagkakakitaan o oportunidad sa mga, especially mga Pilipino na nangangailangan ng, syempre sa taas ng mga bilihin ngayon, minsan hindi naman sapat yung kinikita.
May sideline.
Iba rin yung meron na silang pandagdag ba ng kita. Parang ganun. Kasi ano kami, we're open for distributorships both local and abroad.
Okay. Ito medyo na-curious na ako kasi yung pagkakaspell ng Great Life, instead of G-R-E-A-T.
Yeah.
So ano po may sinisimbolize?
Thank you, Joshua. No? Logo yun namin. Well, Great Life kasi is sa Tagalog, maayos at magandang pamumuhay, di ba?
Okay.
At yun naman yung gusto namin ibigay sa lahat ng mga distributors namin. So instead na tamang spelling, ginawa namin para sa marketing side kasi mas medyo catchy siya. And of course, it also symbolizes infinity, lifetime, and the color itself, if you notice, Joshua, no, meron ding ibig sabihin yun kasi gusto namin na kahit papano yung mga distributors namin, hindi pang hinayangan ba yung efforts na ibibigay nila dahil may patutunguhan. Kumbaga, pwede niyang ipasa tong negosyo na to from generation to generation to the next generation.
Okay. Well, ano-ano yung mga produkto na tampok nyo dito at paano ito makatulong sa mga tao? Gusto ko malaman yung pinakamabenta.
Yes, yung pinakamabenta. Actually, yung mga produkto namin, Fifi, we have 16 product lines and focus kami on wellness and beauty. These are all plant-based, mga natural. Okay, tapos we use the finest ingredients. In fact, I have my own product and research development team na pinapapunta ko pa sa abroad para mag-check kung ano ba yung mga ingredients na magandang pagsamasamahin, i-formulate doon sa produkto na nilalabas namin. And tanong mo kung ano yung best seller namin. One of our best sellers actually is yung sanitary pads.
Okay.
Well, yung sanitary pad namin is not the usual or regular sanitary pad in the market.
Okay.
Makikita mo pa lang yan sa absorption pa lang. It's different talaga sa normal sanitary pad. At gumamit kami ng advanced technology and materials like yung mga anion, magnetism, infrared, graphene. Nakakatulong kasi siya to regulate period. May mga testimony kami na
Matry nga yan sa
may mga testimony kami na once a year lang hindi regular period na regulate because of this. And also yung mga dysmenorrhea. Hindi na experience yun yung pain, no? Nakakabawas talaga siya. And also one of our best sellers, if I may mention, yung aming coffee, which is not the regular coffee. It's a coffee like no other because it's probiotic coffee.
Oh, wow.
Probiotic, so it's very good for the gut, sa intestine.
Digestion.
I don't know if you guys are coffee drinker, kasi pag coffee lover ka,
Oo, kasi nagkakape ako bago
Acidic.
ako pumunta ng CR.
acidic, correct, di ba?
Oo.
But because of the probiotic, ginamit namin na premium brand of probiotic, this is very good for hyperacidity and acid reflux.
Ayun.
Tapos, kasi ginamitan pa namin siya of course ng stevia para sa mga diabetic, and also the glutathione, that's also one of the best sellers. Kasi yung combination, that's very famous.
Ang dami namang feature ng kape ninyo.
Yes,
Oo. In fairness naman.
So,
that's good for the gut.
Aside from quality ng mga products which is good, punta tayo sa mga distributors po dito.
Alright.
Paano niyo po pinangangalagaan yung mga pangailangan nila?
Yes, yung mga distributors namin, actually, I'm happy that they are earning also. Remember, we launched this company February of 2020, just days into the lockdown, Joshua.
Okay.
So, alam naman natin during the pandemic, talaga naging limited talaga yung kitaan, di ba, ng mga taon. May mga nawalan ng trabaho, nagsarang negosyo, and we strengthened our online services and delivery. So, kahit nasa bahay nila at the comfort of their homes, nakakapag-benta sila para kumita naman. And because of that, kahit papano, nagkakaroon sila, natutupad naman yung mga pangarap nila. May mga iba na rin na nakabili ng kotse because of, you know, the plan that we have. And more than the income, it's a good training ground also for them. Kasi hindi lahat ng tao talaga marunong magnegosyo, hindi ba? So ito, nagbibigay kami ng mga free trainings, kung paano sila matutong magpatakbo ng negosyo, paano naman nila mabebenta yung mga produkto. Tapos, nagbibigay kami ng mga ganong klaseng mga trainings and also giving also mga incentives para naman like mga travel, para magkaroon ng camaraderie among my distributors.
Kasi yung isa sa mga pinakamahirap sa profit sa negosyo, yung pagpapaikot ng pera eh.
Correct.
Diba? Kasi minsan na nangyayari kung tayong mga kababayan natin nagnegosyo, yung mga kinikita nila nagagastos
Nagagastos din.
So maganda na meron kayo training.
Yes, we also have that kind of training na financial literacy, kung paano sila
Kailangan yan.
Oo, kahit naman marunong kang kumita, kung hindi mo rin kayang hawakan yung pera, wala rin kwenta, di ba?
Ayun. Kailangan ko yan, yung paghawak ng pera. Nasaan yung hahawakan na?
Ako rin eh.
Oo, yung hahawakan.
Hahawakan
Pero
na.
tayo sumali siguro dito, baka sakaling matuto tayo with the free trainings, no? Pero ano ba ang misyon nitong Great Life Company po ninyo?
Actually, ang mission namin talaga is to be an influential global company.
Okay.
Na po pwede talagang maramdaman, hindi lang dito sa Pilipinas, kung hindi maging sa ibang bansa. Makatulong sa maraming mga ordinaryong Pilipino na napagkaitan kumbaga ng pagkakataon para umasenso, masipag naman. Kasi ako, hindi naman ako talaga well-off, no? So alam ko yung pakiramdam na nabigyan lang ng pagkakataon, natulungan lang, may mga taong nagtiwala lang. Kaya nabigyan ng pagkakataon umangat sa buhay. So naniniwala ako na yung mga tao naman, pag mayroon talagang pagkakataon at sipagan lang may pagkakataon umangat naman sa buhay.
Lalo sa ating mga Pilipino. Ito, Ms. Raquel, baka meron kayong upcoming events?
Of course, yan po yung nagtatapos yung ating products line. So ngayon po, I'm so excited to introduce to all of you, di ba? Yung magpapakita naman po ng ating marketing plan. No other than, di ba? Yung ating pong guest speaker for tonight. Ayan po, sige, paupuin po muna natin yung mga bagong pasok. Welcome po, welcome. Ayan. Welcome po, welcome. Ayan, so to settle na lang po. Kasi sobrang pong exciting, di ba? Para at least nakafocus po lahat, di ba? Sa speaker natin tonight. And of course, I'm so proud and of course, it is my honor and privilege to introduce to you guys our next speaker. Sino gusto magkaroon ng emblem box? Remember, ang price nito, million yan. This is not just an ordinary emblem box. It's a medal na unti-unti ninyong kokolektahin. Okay, so congratulations. And I pray na natin time lahat kayo magkakaroon na ng emblem box. A round of applause for everybody.
5 minutes later.